Nokia 3510i disassembly. You'll need the following tools: metal tweezers, a straight-bladed screwdriver, Torx 6 driver for opening screws, torque driver with T6 bit for tightening screws, and SRT6 opening tool. Be sure to be connected to your ESD wristband. Protect the window with a foil. Remove B cover. Remove A cover. Protect inner side of window with a foil. Remove key mat. Remove 6 screws in the following order: if needed, remove the screws with tweezers. Display assembly is locked at 2 points on each side to D cover. Take SRT6 and unlock these clips. Remove display assembly. Now, unlock the clips of metal frame. Of course, on both sides. Take away the metal frame. Remove earpiece and put back the foil. Remove radio module. Lift up the power key on the right side and remove it. To remove the battery connector, place SRT6 between battery connector and D cover. Do the same with bottom connector. Take the Torx driver and carefully press the microphone from the bottom connector. Use screwdriver as lever when removing the SALT speaker. Do the same with tweezers when removing the vibromotor. SIM card support can be easily unlocked by pressing from D cover outside. Release spring is locked very tightly into D cover. You'll need to use extra strength to unlock it. Now, disassembly procedure is completed.